Hi, so today is the first day of our 30 days of learning search engine optimization, and in today's video we'll talk about search engine optimization, its history, its importance and its future, and we'll talk about AI advancement, that how AI advancements will evolve search engine optimization, and is it a good idea to do search engine optimization after these AI advancements. And we'll talk about all those things in detail in this video, and this video is gonna be very important for you as an SEO aspirant, because in my opinion, if you know the basics, you know 40% of the whole journey. So you must know the basics, you must watch this video till the end to know that what we are gonna do in these 30 days of learning search engine optimization. And we'll talk about the tools that we are gonna use in these 30 days, the tools, the AI tools, integration of AI tools in our search engine optimization, and many other things we are going to cover in this video. So I'll take you to my computer screen, there we'll talk about it further. So let's go to my computer screen. So first of all, as you can see, that 30 days of learning search engine optimization 2024, and this is day 1, introduction to SEO. What is SEO, its importance, history and future. So we'll talk about this today. And if I show you here SEO, this is a mind map I have made. So what I will do is, like you can see that we'll talk about history, we'll talk about importance, and we'll talk about future after AI. So SEO is a bunch of techniques that you apply on your web pages or on your website, and you want to rank your website or web pages higher on search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo and other search engines. So SEO, its importance is, we'll talk about its importance. Like SEO is very important for your website, for your web pages. If you have online business, if you have blog, SEO is very important, because it will increase online visibility and credibility. Because you are ranking on the first page of Google, people know that you are giving value to them. So it will increase your reputation, it will increase your credibility, it will increase your visibility, it will give you a lot of free traffic. Cost-effective marketing strategy, it is a cost-effective marketing strategy, because if you spend lots of money on Google ads or Facebook ads, it will cost you lots of money. But SEO is free, SEO is cost-effective marketing strategy. You can get a lot of traffic for free. Targeted traffic and lead generation, this is the main thing of search engine optimization, because you can get targeted traffic. Because if someone is searching about organic product and my page ranks on the first page of Google, they are likely to make a purchase on my website, because they are targeted traffic. They are more likely interested in my product. So you can get targeted traffic and you can get lead generation through search engine optimization. It is very important, search engine optimization. Now we'll talk about history of search engine optimization. Like you can see that in 1990s the first website was created, and then search engine optimization has been started. So like you can see that early days of search engines in 1990s and 2000s, if we look at the history, like when the first website was created in 1990s, and then after that a bunch of websites were created, then people started spamming the search engines. Like what did they do is keyword stuffing and spamming. The Google was not that advanced at that time, Google and other search engines. So what people did is they started keyword stuffing and spamming. Keyword stuffing is a concept that you include as much as keywords, the targeted keywords. Like if my target keyword is organic, then I put organic everywhere in my page. That is called keyword stuffing and spamming. So people started keyword stuffing, and then they started to rank their website on Google and other search engines. So Google started to rise, and then they started to update their algorithms. They started to use AI and all those things in early 2000s and 2010s. They gave page rank algorithm for the first time to prevent spamming, to prevent keyword stuffing, and then they gave more algorithms like the breadth algorithm and all those algorithms to prevent spamming, to prevent low quality content that ranks on the first page of Google. So Google has started updating its algorithm to give the best pages out there chance to rank their website on the first page of Google. So Google started to update their algorithms, and now they started to use AI as their algorithm. So it is now very difficult to rank your website on Google, because if you do keyword spamming, if you do keyword stuffing, if your content quality is not good, you're not gonna rank on Google. These search engines have started using AI in their algorithms, and if we talk about the future of AI, like you can see there, AI powered search engines, and we'll talk about this in the next video in detail. AI powered search engines, how understanding of search engines, that how search engines are using AI in their algorithms, and we'll talk about this in detail. But future of AI is future of search engine optimization after AI is AI powered search engines. You need to understand search engines, you need to understand AI powered search engines, because search engines are using artificial intelligence in their algorithms. So AI powered search engines, you need to understand these things, and then integration of AI tools for optimization and audits. So there are many tools after AI advancements, how SEO will evolve. We'll talk about these things in detail in the coming videos, but integration of AI tools, there are many tools that you can use to optimize and audit your web page for search engine optimization. So these things are now must use, because because algorithms are using AI, and if you're not using AI, if your content is not good, if you're not using AI for your content optimization, then you are not going to rank on Google and other search engines. So integration of AI tools for optimization and audits is must. You need to use AI tools for optimization, for audits, for content creation, not for content creation, for content optimization and all those things. So the third thing we are going to discuss in future after AI is you need to focus on quality content, and you need to focus on user experience, because these two things are the main focus of Google and other search engines algorithm, because Google is now focusing on user experience. Google is now focusing on content, your content quality, because Google knows that whose content is good, whose content is not. After AI, Google can read the content, Google can understand the content, and Google can rank the content based on your quality of the content. So if your content is not that good, if your content is AI generated, if your content is plagiarized, if your content is weak, then you're not going to rank on Google or any other search engines. So you need to focus on your quality, you need to focus on user experience, you need to focus on mobile friendliness of your website, you need to focus on responsiveness, you need to focus on website speed of your website. The speed must be optimum, the speed must be good for your website. So these are the things that if we talk about future of after AI advancement, SEO has been very difficult. SEO, if your content is not good, believe me, if your content, if your focus is not on quality content and not on user experience and not on your website speed and not technical SEO, then you are not going to rank on search engines. It doesn't matter if you have 1,000 backlinks on your website. If your content is not good, you're not going to rank on Google and other search engines. So we'll talk about these things in the future videos in detail. We'll talk about the future after AI. We'll talk about tools that we are going to use for optimization, for audits, and we'll talk about quality content, that how you can use artificial intelligence for creating good quality content, and how you can use artificial intelligence for technical SEO, how you can understand search engines, and all those things we'll talk about in the coming videos in these 30 days of learning search engine optimization. So today we have talked about the importance of search engine optimization, why it is important to do search engine optimization right now after AI, and we've talked about history of search engine, that how people started spamming after in 1990s and 2000s, early 2000s, and then what Google did to prevent spamming, to prevent keyword stuffing, and to prevent low quality content on their first page, and how Google used AI in their algorithms, and how other search engines use their AI in their algorithms, and how we talked about how integration of AI tools for optimization and audits will help us to rank our website on Google and other search engines. And we talked about the content quality, and we talked about the user experience of our website. So this is our day first of search engine optimization. I hope you learned some basics about search engine optimization, because I believe if you learn the basics, you learn 40% of the whole journey. So in the next video, we'll talk about AI powered search engines. We'll talk about understanding of search engines, that how search engines are using AI in their algorithms, and we'll try to understand search engines, how search engine works, and all those things in the next video. So if you have learned something, just click on that like button and subscribe for more, and click on the bell notification to turn notification on for the next videos in this playlist. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.